Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sarmad, Sales Director at Throne Properties. We are currently standing in Nad Al Sheba. Nad Al Sheba is a community that is developed by Meraas under the umbrella of Dubai Properties. Today, I am going to show you a 4-bedroom standalone villa sitting on a plot area of close to 5,000 square feet. And as you can see at my backside, it is a G+2 structure. So today I am going to show you one of the most luxurious development in a greener community. And on top of it, I will like to highlight the materials that have been utilized in this property. So come with me, let's visit this property. So over here in this property at your right, you can see you have a closed car park, digital electronic car park, and you have a lawn space in the front, and you have a garden space at the left side that is again a U-shaped garden. So you can see it is having a floor to ceiling windows. This is your entry door and it is solid wood. It is completely made of wood and it is a bit heavy. So once you will enter into this 4-bedroom villa, so we are over here revealing a 4-bedroom plus study layout. So this is a 4-bedroom standalone and this is the study. This study could be utilized as a kids playing area, as an office, as a study room, or whatsoever is your preference. So once you will enter, you will find the study on the right side, and after that you have your powder room on your left side, and then you have a lift installed on your right side, and then you have a passage that is leading you towards the first floor and the second floor. This is the most important part of this villa. The thing that I feel value for money is the double heighted entry ceiling over here in your living area. So you can see you have a massive living area, and on top of it you have this European style open kitchen that comes up fully fitted. It has appliances already installed within it, and it's the refrigerator and the freezer, you already have it, and on top of it you have a cooking range over here. And when I'm talking about, I can feel the material quality. So it seems that one of the finest qualities of the wood have been utilized over here. So with your kitchen room, with your open European style kitchen, you have a storage space at the back. All the necessities of your household could be stored over here. Along with that, I have a spacious maid's room over here that comes up with a bathroom, and along with the bathroom you have shower. So you can see it is good in size when we talk about the maid's room as well. So now we would be handing back. So as I already explained you that this 4-bedroom plus study over here comes up with a U-shaped garden. So this garden is U-shaped. You can see you have a passage over here, then you have a passage going right over here. This particular villa is 400 to 500 square feet more than a standard one. So you have an additional land space over here. You have this spacious lawn space over here that could be utilized for a pool. It could be utilized for an open living and dining. And at my back you can see this similar 4-bedroom facade of the unit for 4-bedroom plus study. So standing on the first floor, and it is direct open towards the living area of this property that enhance this property. At your back you can see this is the boulevard where you have the palm trees. As I told you earlier, it's a greener community. Now entering towards your master bedroom on the first floor, right in front of this main ambi floor to ceiling windows, the greener part, you can see it's not neat and tidy. Obviously once it would be handed over to you, it would be much better. And along with that, you can see you have sufficient walk-in wardrobe space. Along with this walk-in wardrobe space, you have a master bathroom. So in this master bathroom, You have the shower space, you have the bathroom space, you have a bathing tub, you have a dual vanity that is installed. Coming out of this master bedroom, we have a second bedroom over here, and you can see again it is having floor to ceiling windows, and on top of it you have a wardrobe space, a look to the greener community. Then we are entering towards the third bedroom. The third bedroom on the first floor. You can see over here you have again the wardrobe space, and it is the floor to ceiling windows. The sunlight exposure basically gives you a better and a brighter look over here. So coming out, these two bedrooms share a common bathroom. Over here you have again a bathing tub and a bathroom and your vanity set. Now this was about the first floor, and you can see there are still wardrobe spaces that have been installed over here. Moving towards, either we can use the lift or we can use the staircase. We would be heading towards the second floor of this building. This 4-bedroom standalone villa with a plot area of close to 5,000 square feet with a built-up area of close to 4,500 square feet. We are entering towards the second floor through the staircase. You have a lift installed, and you have this beautiful small size show kitchen as well on the second floor. So if you have having any orders of the stuff, that could be also done through here. So once you will enter the second floor, you have this huge style terrace that gives you the stunning views of this community. The entrance is right over here to this phase 2, and you can see the number of palm trees that have been planted. You can already see the occupancy is there. People have already started buying in this phase 2, and they have already started making their houses into homes. So now we would be heading towards the 4th bedroom. That is again a master bedroom. This is the 4th room, and this is again a master bedroom, floor to ceiling windows. You can see the ceiling height of this property from two sides. It gives you a glass exposure, a view to the community, an open view that helps you to have the maximum sunlight exposure, and obviously it feels so spacious. And you have the entrance to this terrace from here, so you have a huge size terrace also with this master bedroom. And the best part about this master bedroom, what I like about is the walk-in wardrobe over here on the second floor. In the second master bedroom, you have 6 closets over here, and along with that we have a master bathroom over here. So you have a vanity over here, you have the bathroom over here, you have the standing showers over here. So it's again a very premium quality product we are talking about. We have the most affordable 4 bedrooms available in this ready community. Mortgage pre-approved buyers are more than welcome. Cash buyers are also welcome. Stay connected with us to get the best properties in Dubai. If you want to know more about this property, you want to know more about the community, you want to know more about the developer which has developed Palm Jabal Ali, that has developed Palm Jumeirah, that has made Blue Waters, that had made Meraas, please contact me. I am there to provide you the best assistance and the best price units available. If you feel like that the hard work I am doing and the detailed reviews that I am doing is helping my clients out or the customers out to know more about the property, don't forget to like and subscribe our pages. We would be continuously upgrading for the latest offering and the latest inside out of this luxury villas and townhouse available in Dubai. See you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.